What if I told you that something made by humans has literally entered the sun's atmosphere and came back alive? Not burned, not destroyed, but carrying data that scientists still struggle to explain. Because the truth is, we never really understood what touching the sun would mean. Until NASA actually did it. And what they found there doesn't fit into anything we learned in school. By the end of this video, you'll understand how NASA managed to enter the sun's atmosphere, what the spacecraft actually discovered inside a place that should kill everything instantly, and why these findings are rewriting everything we know about space, heat, and survival itself. There's a problem. The closer we get to the truth, the stranger it becomes. For decades, the sun was untouchable, a burning sphere of plasma, a place where temperatures reach over 15 million degrees Celsius at the core. Even getting close felt impossible. But NASA didn't aim for the core. They aimed for something even stranger, the sun's outer atmosphere, the corona. And in 2021, something historic happened. A spacecraft called the Parker Solar Probe crossed a boundary no human-made object had ever crossed before. It didn't just fly near the sun, it entered it. Here's where things get disturbing. The corona is hotter than the surface of the sun. That alone breaks physics as we understand it. Imagine walking away from a fire and suddenly getting hotter instead of colder. The spacecraft passed through magnetic storms so violent they bend space around them. It was hit by charged particles moving at insane speeds. One wrong angle, one failure in shielding, and it would have been vaporized instantly. And yet, it kept going. But then came the unexpected signal, a kind of switching in magnetic fields, as if the sun's outer atmosphere was not just gas and plasma, but something structured, something alive in motion. And this is where the mission stopped being just physics and started becoming a mystery. Scientists expected chaos. Instead, they found order inside the chaos. Magnetic waves that flip direction, energy bursts that behave like invisible explosions, and regions where the solar wind suddenly accelerates without a clear cause. It was as if the sun was not simply burning, but breathing. And the most shocking part? The Parker Solar Probe discovered that the boundary of the sun's atmosphere is not fixed. It moves, it shifts. Sometimes it expands far into space, swallowing everything inside it. Meaning, at certain moments, Earth is technically inside the sun. Think about that for a second. Right now, as you're watching this, we are living inside something that behaves like a living system. A star that can expand its reach without warning. A cosmic engine we depend on, but barely understand. We call it normal. But nothing about it is normal. And the question scientists are now asking is even more unsettling. What if the sun is not just a star? What if it is a system we have been misreading for centuries? The Parker Solar Probe is still flying, still diving closer with every orbit, still sending back data that challenges every model we built. And one day, it may reveal something even bigger. Something that changes not just astronomy, but our understanding of reality itself. Because sometimes the most dangerous place in the universe is the one we thought we already understood. If you want more stories that reveal the hidden side of science and space, subscribe, because the next discovery might not just change what we know about the universe, it might change how we see our place inside it.